60 plus men's single final. Major General BP Singh against Nagaraj Revanasiddhaya. Match is on serve. 1-2. First set. ITF MT 400 Jaipur. Love 15. Earlier in the semi-final, Nagaraj Revanasiddhaya won against Amit Sangal 6-1, 6-2, whereas BP Singh won against Puneet Kumar Gupta 6-2, 6-3. Remember, BP Singh was unseeded here since he is out of competition for a long time, and PK Gupta was second seed, whereas Nagaraj was seed 1. Ball on court. Oh, the ball. The ball was in air when the ball entered in the court. So let's see how this gets settled, because this kind of event happen in the match often, and player has to deal with them. The point is, while Nagaraj was playing, did he saw the ball, or did the entering ball interfere with his play? Then the point should be replayed. Or if he has played it before the ball entered, the call will stand. And in a match, when you don't have a chair umpire, player has to settle it mutually, and it's all about mutual understanding. And if it, oh, we have a match supervisor there. Let's see what is his decision. Yeah, looks like the supervisor is of the same opinion, that the ball entered after the point was played. So whatever he thinks, if he thinks the incoming ball interfered with the play, he will give a replay, else the point will stand. From the top, it looks like focus. Supervisor may be called. Yes, the supervisor Joy Mukherjee has stepped in, and he'll listen to both the player and yes, and then he'll make the decision. Remember, this is the early stage in the first set, and even the supervisor has limited options there. He'll listen to both players, and then he'll listen to the referee, and most likely the call will stand. Let's see how it goes. Focus. Call stands and play resumes. Oh,
yes, that's the game. That's the game.
2 break point down, and this kind of play, amazing. Rohan Bhasin and Samrat Bhasin are playing 45 plus man single final on court number 1. And Srinivas Reddy playing against Balakishan Bhatia. Net cord in favor of BP Singh. Back we are back on deuce. Srinivasan Reddy playing against Balakishan Bhatia. Looks like Bhatia is taken first set.
It's deuce.
We are into the second one now. Point was constructed really well. A little bit. Third point for Nagaraj Revanasthaya. Look at the pace on that serve. They used double fall to give away.
Never mind, never mind.
It's okay, never mind. Nagaraj takes 3-1 lead. Yeah, looks like he's 3-1 up first set. Love. I like to mention one thing, like Nagaraj Revanasthaya hasn't lost any match on IPL in Indian soil. Today he is facing a tough opponent. Till now he's under control. Let's see how the match unfolds from here. Second serve. Judges up. तो दोस्तों हमें ज्वाइन किया है नरेश सरोजरा साहब, कर्नल साहब हमारे दिल्ली से आए हैं कमेंट्री बॉक्स में, और वो आपकी थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत करेंगे।
स्लो कर रहे हैं वो गेम।
कर्नल साहब
स्लो कर रहे हैं।
4-1 नागराज फर्स्ट सेट में, और नागराज सर को अभी तक इंडियन सॉइल पे ITF में किसी ने हराया नहीं। आज काफ़ी टफ फाइट मिल रही है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
टफ फाइट मिल रही है। देखो, अच्छी फाइट होनी चाहिए, अच्छा रिजल्ट आना चाहिए। लेट्स होप दैट ही गेट्स सम स्वेट टुडे, अदरवाइज ही हैज बीन अ वेरी क्लियर विनर, बीटिंग एवरी 1-6-1-6-0-6-1. So we have brought the general today after a lot of motivation. He has not been playing ITF for I think 15-20 years and only playing doubles. So last 2 months I told him you start now preparing for singles. So only 1 month he got to prepare, and let's see. And I wish all the best to him.
हम VP सिंह साहब को यहाँ पे खेलते हुए देख पा रहे हैं, थैंक्स टू कर्नल रजोरा जी। वही उनको यहाँ लेके आए हैं और अभी वो प्लेयर बॉक्स में उनके सपोर्ट में आते हैं। ये एक शानदार सा सेकंड सर्व था। आई थिंक नो पेस ऑन दैट सर्व, कुछ अजीब सा सर्व नागराज सर की तरफ देखने को मिला था। आई थिंक 40 लव 30-15 है 40 लव 40 लव। तो नागराज होल्ड करते हुए और उनके पास 4-1 की बढ़त पहले सेट में।
Lovely!
शानदार पासिंग।
Lovely!
15 लव। मेजर जनरल साहब हैं, वो कर्नल रजौरा सर के साथ ट्रेन करते हैं दिल्ली में।
Lovely!
ब्यूटीफुल शॉट,
Good one!
30 लव। सर आप ट्रेनिंग प्ले पर ही करते हैं?
Yes, we play at
हाँ,
Yes, we play at clay court only, and we play in Dwarka Sports Complex, Sector 11, and we have two courts. Both the courts are earmarked by us. At one court, court number 1, I play with my team, and at court number 2, General plays with his team. And we carry on till 6:30. Daily from 4:15 to 6:30 is our slot there, and we play there. And after that, we have little bit of chit chat and sometimes cup of tea. It's a daily affair.
ग्रेट लाइफस्टाइल सर। काफी शानदार गेम। ओह, looks like just outside. Is it out? About an inch or half.
तो थोड़ा और घूमती ना इधर तो ठीक है, लंबी हो गई थोड़ी। Oh, good shot, good shot.
That was smart play. Nagas was alert. Beautiful pass, shot cross court. 40-30, still a game point. Major General BP Singh likes to play with Babala racket. That's Babala pure drive. It's a powerful racket. And, I myself has been playing with that racket for 12 years. It's a beautiful tool. You can try this out.
Okay. 4-1.
It's a deuce, 1-4 and deuce.
नहीं, ड्रेस तो ड्रॉप में डालना है।
Revanesi there.
इसको ड्रॉप बिल्कुल नहीं डालना है, तो बस
Beautiful shot. Save the break point.
नामों से नहीं डरता है, वो नामों का देवता है।
Deuce. Oh, look at that angle. Beautiful angle. Shot cross court. Beautiful. It's really impossible to get that angle from baseline. Amazing shot by Major General BP Singh.
He is Bhanu Pratap Singh
Major General Bhanu Pratap Singh.
from Corps of EME, Electrical Mechanical Engineers.
Good friend of our very famous player Naresh Rojara sir. That could have caught the line. I mean, the call is out from the chair. The mark should be examined.
थोड़ी थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई।
राइट लग रही है।
That no question asked. It
और बोल देना।
सर आप प्ले पे मार्क दिखा सकते हैं।
सब तो बात नहीं, वो क्या बोल दिया तो it's better to leave it.
There is
No point, you know.
very
कोई
good
फायदा क्या,
place
बाकी उम्र हमने।
for serve of Major General Bhanu Pratap and some concentration issue, maybe whatever we can say. Lapse of concentration, change of thought.
देखो सडनली हमारी तरफ खेलने
All
लगे।
of a sudden, it's a double fault. And Nagaraj gets one more big point. Oh, beautiful.
Lovely shot. Lovely lob.
Maybe he thought the ball is going
Miss-
out
miss
and
just.
the ball landed in. Beautiful field.
Bad luck, bad luck.
Job.
काफी अंदर थी.
बहुत अंदर दिए तो. Even I was wondering क्या हो
अंदर
रहा है.
कैसे गिर गई वो टॉप स्पिन है
बहुत थोड़ा उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत बड़ा लूप था.
heavy top spin because the reason why Nagaraz is reading that ball out, he just left it and the ball landed about a foot or two inside the base line. Advantage Revanasira, break point, 1-4. It is Nagaraj lead 5-1 for set. Nagaraj leads 5-1. Revanasira serving for the set. Love. Love.
हाँ
अमित है ना अमित.
5-1 आता है.
अमित से बात करो. अभी यहीं पर अमित से बात करो.
30-15. दोस्तों के दोस्त दुश्मनों के दुश्मन. Ups. Just outside the sideline. 3 match set points for top seed Nagaraj Revanasira. Beautiful play to close the set. 6-1 Nagaraj Revanasira. Colors up. क्या करना चाहिए?
You see, Major Bharu Pratap is playing. I think he's playing ITF singles after a gap of 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah, he left playing tennis when he was, I think, around 11 years of service. So there must be around somewhere 94, 95. He played 10 years as a services captain and played nationals as services team. After that, because of the busy army life, he hardly got time to even practice, because everywhere you go in army, you do not find the courts. And even if you find the courts, there is no time. And when the officer becomes higher and higher in his rank, then certainly there is more responsibility and very, very less time. So after retirement, he has started playing seriously, and that's not a long time back, just 2-3 years back. And then he was busy with his family life, and now he's slightly free. He has started playing singles, and last 1 month only he's playing singles. And I'm very sure that within no time he will be on top of his game, and he will be a force to reckon with in senior ITF.
Wow, amazing, inspirational story for many, and it's really, really nice to see players coming after a gap of 25 years and performing at
Come back, sir.
पेस
international
बढ़ाइए
level.
थोड़ी. पेस बढ़ाइए, उनका गेम खेल रहे हैं आप.
वेरी क्लोज मिसेस रही हैं, बहुत सारी क्लोज मिसेस.
Second set,
वो आ जाता तो 5 बॉल होता.
Major General Bhanu Pratap Singh to serve. Wow.
Yes, nice shot.
ये है. This is the way.
What a play. The way he plays, it looks like, sir, इन्होंने जूनियर सर्किट भी खेला था, जूनियर सर्किट.
So he has played junior circuit, and then he was in army team from NDA days. He got trained in National Tennis Academy, National Defense Academy. There we have beautiful courts, but we don't have good coaches. So they pick up on their own, and the coaches are very, very normal
nice
one.
shot.
And from there only he has learnt himself. There has not been any formal coaching, except few years in NDA when there is a very normal coach. He is not a very professional coach. And after that, his 10 years of playing nationals as captain of the services team has only his technical know-how. Oh, oh.
Break point save 30-40. Okay, Nagaraj breaks the very first game and leads 1-0. So Nagaraj to serve.
Lovely!
Beautiful.
ये खेलो ना, अपना गेम खेलो.
Presence of mind there. Beautiful volley placement by Major General BP Singh. Love 15. If he breaks this game, we are matches back on track. And in tennis, it's never over until the last point is played. I have seen a match at pro level where in doubles especially, when a team was leading 9-1 and then lost the match.
Slow game.
15 all.
Those are his winning points. That's the only difference I see.
Oh, too good. Good one.
30-15. Nice play from Nagaraj. Okay, with this Nagaraj leads 2-love, second set.
अरे नहीं पड़ रही है बस।
टोटल डाउन है।
ये दूसरा है, इस तरफ में मेरी तरफ है। ये पहली डीप पर पड़ी है। लूप पर खिला रहा है।